Hey, welcome back, everybody. So, what you see in here is a big ass hammer. Um, Something I made today using a Scotch Eye Auger that I ordered. Handmade, cut me a nice little branch off. It's a 1 inch. Now, that allowed me to be able to drill all the way through here. The one thing I can say about these is that this is definitely pack size. You really should have one in your pack. I can see where this could be handy anywhere from making something like this to doing furniture legs, making pegs to hold something together. Those peg holes really can stabilize things. So as you can see here, my previous one was pretty long, pretty good. It's worked all winter long. But I needed something with a little bit more heft. This is about 10 pounds. Now I used a good green branch because when this begins to dry out, it's going to expand. And then it'll be kind of wedged in there on its own. Makes it pretty nice. Now I still need to trim this up a little bit, chamfer my edges. But other than that, she should be good to go. So you can see good and solid. You guys really should get one of these. You can pick them up at antique shops, things like that. You can also go on Amazon and get one. So you guys like, share, subscribe. Have a good day.